Hi, in this video we will show how you can use Klaviyo to automatically send coupons to reviewers once your Klaviyo integration is active. First, you need to make sure to have active and available coupons in your Shopify account. You can see them in Klaviyo in your Coupons tab. You can select existing coupons or create a new one. For this example, we will use the coupon name test_coupon. Then we need to create a flow to do that. So we go to flows and create a new flow from scratch. And we give it a name. And we click create flow. Now you will need to set a trigger for the flow. Click on metric, then select left a review on Opinew. This is because we want to send an email every time someone leaves a review in your shop. Then click on done. After that, grab the email action and place it below the trigger. Click it and then click configure content. Then select a template for your email. And after that, you will see the email editor. Click on the text block and type the email content that you want. For example, thanks for leaving a review. And in the email content, we can write something like exchange. We will give you a coupon. Now you can enter a coupon code using the following dynamic placeholder variable. Type between brackets and percentage signs space coupon code underscore code space and between single quotes the name of your coupon. In this case, it was test_coupon. This must be an exact match of the name. Utilization matters, or otherwise this will not work. So we can end our email with thanks. Click on save content. Done. And we finally set our email to live and click on save and exit. And that's it. Now, this flow will send coupons automatically to customers who leave a review for your shop in Opinew.